Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
We love innovations that can really make a difference, and Ome Smart Stove Knobs are in that category. They're rechargeable motorized knobs, easily installed, replacing the existing ones on gas or electric stoves, and can be controlled through the Ome app and even automatically turn off a burner after a set period of time. CEO Akshita Iyer.
I started this company simply because I had a personal experience in my own home with my mom. She left the stove on one too many times and started a kitchen fire.
We're impressed by the innovation and ease of installation. The smart knobs can be controlled by voice through Alexa as well. The price is about $150 for one or $500 for a 4-pack. Learn more and check on compatibility at omekitchen.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.